This is the Light Seers Tarot, which has steadily become a best-selling choice for both new and experienced tarot readers. The deck was released in 2019 and is designed to be a deeply intuitive, expansive tool for self-reflection and personal growth. It's very much a Rider-Waite influenced deck using the standard 22 major and 56 minor arcana framework, but the imagery is reimagined in a contemporary, very hippie or boho inspired style. The characters and scenes feel vibrant and modern, encouraging you to explore both the light and shadow aspects of your life with compassion and clarity. Visually, this deck stands out with its warm, expressive artwork, and it's got a vivid palette that blends soulful tones with their symbolic details. And the figures on the cards feels quite relatable, actually, rather than the distant or archetypical types. And this can make it easier for beginners to connect emotionally with the cards. I think some of the most striking cards are those that depict emotional growth and introspection, such as cards that illustrate inner conflict with sweeping strokes of color or scenes that feel, almost cinematic in their storytelling. I like the cards that represent emotional themes like healing or intuition and self-acceptance. The cardstock is decent and easy to work with, and overall, I feel there's a lot of versatility in this deck. It's beginner-friendly thanks to its clear yet expressive visual language, but it's also got enough depth and nuance to reward more experienced readers. The overall vibe here is warm, reflective, and uplifting. It's definitely worth the purchase. And odds are that if you collect decks, you already have this one.